So here comes our test puller. So let's see what young Luke can do. Can he get a full pull?
Come on, 50-50. Let's move the line. Here we go.
To about 96 meters. The bonus point to be the test puller is you can choose to accept or decline your pull. If you fluff it, if you don't quite get a full pull and you think you could have performed a little better. So Kevin from just up Cumbria way. This tractor used to be under French ownership, it used to be called the Froggy, and the Howard family took ownership a few years ago. Here we go. Not just running correctly. We bring on the first one of our visitors, and that's the Cobra XL, all the way from the Netherlands to pull with us today. Straight and narrow. That's the full pull for him. First full pull of the night for the Cobra XL.
Wow, this felt really good. Sledge setting is beautiful, track is okay. The weather was good. We are looking forward to the rest of the class.
You just drifted off a little bit to the right-hand side as you were sat on the seat. It always does that here at Great Eccleston. Have to just weigh on the brake a little bit.
Yeah, I had to brake, I think, at the 50-meter mark. I had to hit the brake 2 times to get it a bit back to the middle, and I think it was a good run.
It was a beautiful run. We look forward if the man from Germany can force a pull-off.
Yeah. We want to compete against each other, so let's see what happens.
Brilliant. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. The Cobra XL team. So the second one of our guest pullers. I cannot say its name. I'm not even going to attempt it. I can tell you what it means in English. It means like a little naughty elf or goblin type thing. We met these guys at Burnay, drinking beer on the bank, and I said, come on down, the price is right. And here they are. Come on, the man from Germany, hit the man, Oh, looks like it could be a turbo problem. 72.57. The last one in the first round of qualifying. It's the Thunderstruck, Stephen Charles at the wheel. And then we'll welcome our test puller back at 50-50. Here we go. Come on, Stephen Charles. Straight and narrow. That's a full pull for him. Come on, Stephen Charles. Now he's So here comes our test puller, back again. Chose to decline the pull and come back for a second attempt. So let's see what young Luke can do. Can he get a full pull? And get himself in the pull-off. Here we go. Come on, Luke, hit the loud pedal, get on. Oh, just going on look now. And drags him down. Now, in theory, we've got 2 in the pull-off, Cobra XL and Thunderstruck. Here we go, with the Cobra XL. Get on! Fire the nose into the air during the business. Oh! Ah, then the donkey died. Something just not correct under the bonnet there. But a good second run for him. 83 meters 33. Well, like I say, there should be Thunderstruck back, but I've got a feeling we're going to welcome our German guest. He had a turbo pipe pop off. So we bring on the man from Germany. Like we said, had a boost pipe problem, so we've allowed them to come back as demo run in the pull-off. So let's see what he can do. 2 green flags. Here we go, get on. Oh! Remember his pull-off time! We're out to stop him! Watch the replay look on the screen. There, locked into the track. Power the nose up, nice and steady. Lots of RPM, lots of ground speed. And when the box stopped, he just kept going.